Today, this is a 2007 Kenworth, as you can see. Borrowed it when the motor went in the other one. Moved some trailers around, mainly because I was hooked to a pup trailer. Not all trucks can back into one of those single axle pup trailers. This one being a single axle allowed me to do that. One of the problems with this one is this light don't work. It's a turn signal / marker light. Okay, turn the headlights on. As you can see, it's not working. Shut the headlights off. Turn the left turn signal on. Again, you can see that it's not working. Now, there's a couple different ways to go ahead and check this light. One is just grab another bulb and plug it in. Another one is use some kind of testing equipment, maybe a test light. Some people will use a multimeter. Some people will call or use what's called a power probe or a test probe. You can do all that. Any of those methods will work to tell you if it's the bulb bad or not. What we're going to do here, seeing how I got the test light out, I'm going to unplug it. And if you look real close, you'll be able to see there's 3 wires. One is going to be ground. The white is usually ground, but these are all 3 black. But if you check the bulb out, it normally says which is which. And this one is 30. I don't know if feel things on there. So it definitely has some words on there. But we're going to go ahead and use the test light, check and see. Now remember, I got the turn signal on. So I mean, if you're not sure which wire is which, you can just go ahead and clip to one and go with the test light. Just keep checking. Okay, see, we didn't get anything. So that could be one of 2 things. Either there's no power or I'm not on the turn signal or the ground. So let's go ahead and go to this one. And this is the one I was already on. And now we got a turn signal. So that tells me this one by itself is the ground. So here would be the marker light. And I don't have anything, the headlights on or anything. So we don't have any power. But we do have turn signal working. As you can see, the light's flashing. I'm going to walk around, pull the headlight switch out. Because it's like the old cars, it just has a switch that you pull out. So after you pull the headlight switch out, now I didn't turn signal off, so we're still going to have this flashing here, and here we should have a solid like that. Like I said, that is one way to test it. Another way to test it is if you have another bulb, you can plug into that, which I happen to have here. Unfortunately, it's a red one, so we can't put it in place of a yellow one or amber, but we can go ahead and plug it in to make sure everything is working. And as you can see, we do have marker or running lights, and it's flashing because of turn signal. So the problem is the bulb, which I will go ahead and pick up tomorrow. It's just in there with rubber. It'll just push right out, the other one push right in. Not real hard to change and not real hard to figure out what's wrong. And I appreciate you coming back to the channel, and hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe so everybody else can see this stuff. I'm trying to keep it short, so everybody out there, have a better day. Thank you.